Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the matrix. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the matrix A equals to this one. We want to find about A to the power of 2019. So now I will show you how to answer. So let's say we have A to the power of 2. That means we have two matrices A multiplied by each other in here. So we need to calculate about this one. About this point, that means we need to consider about this one and this one. So number 0 multiplied by number 0 plus 1 multiplied by number 1 in here. About this location, that should be about this one and this one. So number 1 with number 0 and number 0 with number 1. About this location, so that should be about this one and this one. So number 0 with number 1 plus number 1 with number 0 in here. And the last one, that should be about this one and this one. So number 1 with number 1 and number 0 with number 0. And this one we have 1, 0 and 0, number 1. Now let's go to A to the power of 3. That means we have this one in here multiplied by this one in here. So if we repeat the process, and you will have about 0, number 1, number 1, 0. So they just return back just like the matrix A in here. That means with the power 2, this is about even. You got like this. If this one is about the odd, you got same with the matrix A. So this one we have 2019. This is about odd. That means same with matrix A. So the answer for this one, that's E equals to this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.